Let me show you a quick and simple way how to add a new event to your iPhone's calendar, how to edit that event, how to share it with other people, and then how to make it a reoccurring event that happens every week. To get started, find and then open up the Calendar app on your iPhone's home screen. Now, as we can see, right now on this day, I have no events on my calendar. I can tap on next Friday and I see that there's nothing there too. Now, if you see a date that has a gray dot beneath it, then that means that there is something on that day. So let's go ahead and get started by adding something to today on the 15th, and then I'll make it happen every Friday. Tap the day that you want to add the event to, and then on the top right-hand corner of the screen, tap the plus sign. The first thing that you want to do is give the new event a title. This is going to be what is happening on that day. After that, you can tap location and add a location if it's going to be at a specific place. Next, you have the option to choose if it's an all-day event or if it's a specific time. For now, I'll just turn on all day. Now the next part is repeat. This is where we want to choose and then set it to every week. This is going to tell the Apple Calendar every Friday we're going to have this event. You can also set an end repeat if you want to. Say if you're only going to be doing this for a couple of months. To do that, just choose end repeat and then select on date and then choose the date that it ends on. For now, I'm just going to leave this on never. After that, you can choose what calendar you want this event to be on, and then underneath of that is who you want to add to this event. Just choose that and then search for the person that you want to add to the event. It'll then send them a calendar notification where they can accept and add it to their own calendar. And finally, we have alerts, where you can set alerts to remind you of the event before it happens. And then at the bottom, you can add any notes to remind you about what's going to happen on the event. When you're ready, tap Add on the top right of this screen. You'll now see that today has a new event called New Every Friday Event. And if I tap next Friday, we'll see that it's there. And then on the 29th, we'll see that it's been added to the other events that are taking place on that day. Now, if you want to delete this in all future events from your calendar, again, choose the date that it starts on, and then tap the event in the list here down below. If you want to make any adjustments to the event, you can tap Edit on the top right of this screen, and then make those in there. But we want to hit Delete Event on the bottom of the screen. From this pop-up, you have the option to delete just this one event, or every one in the future. We'll choose Delete All Future Events. And now we see that every Friday, it's been removed from our calendar. And that's how you add, edit, and share calendar events on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.